Ma'am, the recording is on.
Yeah, I know recording is on. I want to break the seriousness of Srishti. They told me Srishti is very serious. I go, no, she's talking to me. She's not that serious. Is Srishti serious? Tell me.
No,
Where is your Rubik's Cube?
my Rubik's Cube is in the toy room.
Can you get it right now?
Yeah, just give me a
Go
minute.
quickly and get it for me.
Yes, ma'am, I'm back.
Where are the Rubik's Cube? I can't see it. Where is it?
Yeah, my mother is giving me the.
Yeah, introduce me to every Rubik's Cube that you have.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, I'm so mesmerized seeing all of these. I have never played with a Rubik's Cube.
Most of the people should have 3x3 cube, Pyramix cube, and 2x2 cube.
Oh.
Ma'am, there are 2 cubes which are very easy.
Which ones?
Even babies can solve 2.
Who can solve 2?
Babies. I have to introduce all the cubes.
Yes, you do that. You do that. Whatever you want to do. It's a free platform. People want to know about you, Srishti. They don't want to know about me or the questions I ask. They don't want to know about me. I'm just a moderator here. They want to know about this sweet little girl who has, made it to the World Book of Records, and how. They want to know the secret behind this special girl. What is this? What is the special thing about her? They want to know about you, not about this moderator and her questions.
They want to know about the respondent and not the moderator.
Yeah.
Yeah, I time myself when I solve all the cubes in a row. I have a pad timer which I use. I have to press it with both of my hands, and when I finish solving all the cubes, I just tap it again and it will stop. To solve the maple is very challenging. We have to look for the colors to match the right piece in the front.
Okay.
This is more smaller than it.
Okay.
This is more smaller than it.
Yeah.
And the 5x5 is more smaller than it. The 6x6 is more smaller than it. The 7x7 is more so.
More smaller than it. Right.
That's the smallest one.
I'm telling you, you're a pro.
7x7.
You can teach me. I'll take classes from you. How to solve a Rubik's Cube. Right?
I only know how to solve 10 cubes. I don't know the 5x5, 6x6, 7x7.
Okay. So, Srishti, tell me, apart from Rubik's Cube, what else do you like to do?
I like to learn shlokas and read books.
Read shlokas and read books. And which one is your favorite book?
I play chess every day with my father on the board with a real timer.
With a real timer? Really?
Yeah.
And what is the success rate of yours? Do you play well?
Yeah. Sometimes I take a draw when I don't have time, and sometimes I win, sometimes I lose.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, that's fine.
Failure and success are a part of life. Both should be kind of be done in equal amounts, right? You learn from it.
Yeah.
And tell me, where are you taking these chess classes from?
I'm taking the chess classes from BaaBee TV.
BaaBee TV, okay. And are there any other classes that you're taking at BaaBee TV?
The other classes are movie review class.
Okay, and which is the best and the last movie that you remember watching? Are you a fan of watching movies? Tell me that first. Are you a fan of watching movies?
Yeah.
Yeah, you are? Okay, tell me your favorite one.
My favorite ones are 2.
2? Okay, tell me 2.
The first one is Wonder and the second one is Coco.
Coco, yeah, even I like that. The animated one, right?
Coco and Wonder.
Coco and Wonder. Both are really nice.
Yeah.
Good. And
the Wonder, that boy has
he has a deformed face, right?
Yeah, he has a deformed face.
And
I didn't know the perfect word for it.
It's okay, it's fine, it happens. It's okay. You can solve Rubik's Cube. I can't solve. right?
Yeah.
You're good at everything.
Do you at least know how to tell shlokas?
No.
No.
See, okay, it's fine. I can know something, you can know something, and we can always learn, right? Right,
Yeah.
Srishti? Okay, Srishti. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, Baba, tell me.
More than the movie class, can we have another class which me and you only will be there?
Yeah, we can do that. We'll talk about it, right?
I can tell you things that come to my mind.
Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that. Definitely.
Like this class.
Yeah, we'll plan it out for sure.
Okay, ma'am.
For sure. Okay. Bye, Baba. Take care.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Bye.